Asus is set to unveil its highly anticipated ROG Phone 8 series at CES 2024 on January 8, with the India launch also scheduled for the same day. The global release will be followed by the China launch on January 16, where it will compete with the Red Magic 9 Pro. Key specifications of the ROG Phone 8 Pro have been leaked, revealing a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and an impressive 120Hz refresh rate for an immersive gaming experience. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, it offers configurations with 16GB or 24GB of RAM and storage options ranging from 512GB to 1TB. Camera capabilities include a 50MP primary camera, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 32MP telephoto lens, along with a 32MP front camera for selfies. The device is expected to feature a robust 5,500 mAh battery supporting 65 watts fast charging. Additional gaming-centric features comprise an in-display fingerprint sensor, a 3.5mm audio jack, a 5-magnet speaker system, and connectivity options like Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC. Notably, the phone may include an RGB lit rear logo and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for display protection, as well as an IP68 rated chassis for enhanced water and dust resistance. Stay tuned for the exciting debut of the Asus ROG Phone 8 series with cutting-edge features and powerful specifications.